have this box here. After about 10 minutes of going through it, trying to get all the tape off, finally got all the tape off, and gonna unbox it, see what it is, and yeah. So I'm pretty excited about it. Just gonna move this up. All right. Moment of truth. I have waited literally, almost a year and a half to get the call. I got the call Wednesday night for this, so let's unbox it and see what it is. Well, obviously you can tell what it is by the name of the title, but still. Still got a little tape here. Alright. So you guys can see it. So obviously you guys know what that is. So I'll just take this out here. There we go. Toss that over there. So as you can see, shout out to these guys at Mayors. Shout out to my wonderful sales associate who called me Wednesday night for this beautiful piece. There. More unpacking to do. This right here is just probably the receipt. Yep, here's my receipt. All right, so see that right there? I don't know if you can see it, but you will in a second. All right, moment of truth. I'm nervous. Come out of here. There we go. All right, look at that. That 5-point crown. All right. I'll open it this way for y'all. My first time seeing it. Oh yeah. Look at that right there. Look at that. That is beautiful. I don't know if y'all can hear this. Hear how good that sounds? Oh man, this is awesome. So again, it's not I haven't had the links taken out to fit my wrist, but as you can see, this is the Rolex Submariner, reference number 124060. So this one does not have the date, but I think it's beautiful. It is 41 millimeters, and I'll get some footage here afterwards to show you how it looks on my wrist, and then I'll do an official video of all the specs. Hope you guys like this quick unboxing, and let me know if you like it or not in the comments below. Peace. Without the date, but I really love it.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it is. Sweet. Oh, I didn't know you were.
Recording, I'm sorry.
Just getting some footage.
Gotcha.